Today our goal is to practice simple present tense in affirmative and negative sentences. In what cases do we use simple present? We use simple present to express facts, habits, or routines, things that are always true, or personal information. It is important not to confuse with physical descriptions. What is the form of simple present? For affirmative sentences, we need a subject, a verb plus s or es, and an object or complement. For negative sentences, we use a subject, don't or doesn't, the verb in the base form, and a complement. For interrogative, we use do or does, the subject, the verb in base form, and an complement. What is a verb in base form or simple form? It's a verb with no s. Let's take a look at some examples. These are affirmative sentences. These are negative sentences. And these are interrogative sentences. Notice that we use an extra s in the verb for the subjects he, she, or it. For the rest of the subjects, this is not necessary. The negative sentences with he, she, or it are made with doesn't. Negative sentences with the subjects I, you, we, or they correspond with don't. Interrogative sentences start with do when the subject is I, you, they, or we. And when the subject is he, she, or it, we use does. In what cases is it necessary to include the verb plus s? In general, we use the verb plus s like this. For example, we have work. This is a verb in simple form, and works. Eat, eats, play, plays, swim, swims, write, writes. When the verb finishes in the consonant I, and before this we have a consonant, okay, we change it for I, and there we have study, studies, cry, cries, try, tries, spy, spies, fly, flies. For verbs that finish in O, sh, t, x, s, we add es. For example, go, goes, wash, washes, watch, watches, mix, mixes, kiss, kisses. The time expressions that we normally use in simple present are every day, every week, every month, every year, daily, weekly, monthly, annually. Let's practice simple present tense. Look at the picture. Does she drink beer in the morning? No, she doesn't drink beer in the morning. What does she drink in the morning? She drinks coffee in the morning. Do they work at an office every day? Yes, they work at an office every day. Does he do homework on weekends? No, he doesn't do homework on weekends. When does he do homework? He does homework in the afternoon. Do they dance ballet in the morning? No, they don't dance ballet in the morning. What do they do in the morning? They dance jazz in the morning. Remember that we use simple present to express general information, habits, or scientific facts. Thank you very much.